Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete the card from your Bitwarden on the desktop. So first, what we want to do is we want to click on the card that we want to delete. So for example, I'll delete the Visa. Now here, let's go over and trash it right at the right side of the screen and send it to the bin. Now the card is gone from the all items, but it's still here. So go to the bin, select the card, and then click on permanently delete. So now it will ask if you're sure to delete this item permanently. Let's click yes, and now we got rid of the card. So that's how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.